It's me again, Staceyata, and this one's called Struck by Lightning. Don't mess with God. Okay, my roommate Steve at the time, I had prayed to God for roommates, and he blessed me with Steve and Alex, two men, but we lived as Christian brothers and sisters, and our house was so full of love and peace and harmony for over 4 years. It was absolutely amazing. Anyway, so I was working out with Steve, and then I had a workout partner named Mr. Swole. And one day, Mr. Swole, Steve, and I were working out, and then they made some derogatory, ungodly remark about a girl at the gym. And I stepped back like, they're getting struck by lightning. I better get out of the way. And then Steve said, oh, sorry, God. And he stepped back. And then Mr. Swole, he just stood there. And I go, Mr. Swole, tell God you're sorry. And he said, lightning can't hurt me. And I go, Mr. Swole, don't say that. Tell God you're sorry. And he said, lightning will just bounce off of me. And then he didn't apologize to God. So then the next day, we were at Costco. And you know how you walk around and sometimes you get that static electricity? Well, I touched Mr. Swole and it shocked him. And he said, ow, Staceyata, that hurt. So what I do? I touched him again. And it hurt him more. And he said, ow, Stacia, stop that, because that hurts. So here I am chasing around Costco with my finger, and he's getting mad because it hurts. Well, anyway, the next day, Steve and I are in the kitchen, and he was telling me a story about when he was an umpire. And he said, when the ball bounced off of me, but it didn't hurt. And then God said, I just clearly heard God say, tell Mr. Swole, the little shocking Costco hurt. Imagine how lightning would feel. So I go, ah. So I called him Mr. Swole. I go, Mr. Swole, you better apologize to God because God said, imagine how the little shocking Costco felt. Imagine how lightning would feel. So you better apologize to God. So then I hung up, and I sure hope he did. I'm pretty sure he did because he's obedient and he loved God. So I hope this story lets you know that God is a loving God, but he also is a holy God, and he wants us to be holy because, and it's not meaning like you won't have fun, because I have fun every day. Every day is an absolute adventure. I walk around every day saying, wow, thanks God, how'd you do that? He's always thrilling me. But he also wants us to be holy because he knows what's going to happen to us if we let things go by. So maybe it doesn't seem like a big thing in the beginning, but later on it could lead to danger. So it's always for the best of us. So I hope this story helps you, and I hope that God blesses you with more peace, more laughter, more joy, more fun, more excitement, more rest, whatever you need. Especially, we know right now, more finances, because finances make people stress out, but also know that God is your provider. So if you're not getting provided for as much as you wanted to, ask God, what does he want you to do? Maybe you're not really doing what he wants you to do. Maybe you're doing what you want to do and not what he made you to be. So, and God's in charge of the blessings. So I'd rather be blessed by God than not blessed by God. So I hope this uh, keeps you entertained and makes you want to watch more. So come back for another story. Bye.